Right now, underneath your house, there's probably 800 to 1,000 square feet of space doing absolutely nothing. Concrete floors, exposed joists, maybe some storage boxes, a water heater, and a shop light hanging from a nail. That's dead square footage you're already paying to heat, cool, and insure. It's the biggest unused room in your house, and it's costing you money every single month while giving you nothing back. I turned my unfinished basement into a fully livable space, a family room, a home office, and a half bath, and added $20,000 to $40,000 in home value, and I did it for a fraction of what a contractor would charge. I'm Jason Hammond. I've been building and renovating for over 40 years, and I'm going to show you why finishing your basement is one of the smartest and most approachable investments you can make in your home. I got quotes from 3 contractors to finish my basement. The average came in between $40,000 and $60,000. One contractor quoted $75,000. Here's what they don't tell you. On a $50,000 basement finish, materials typically cost between $10,000 and $20,000. The rest, $30,000 or more, is labor markup, general contractor overhead, project management fees, and profit padding. That means 50 to 70% of what you're paying is not materials. It's the cost of not knowing the process yourself. And here's what really got me. When I broke down the labor, most of the hours on a basement finish are low-skill tasks. Framing a wall, hanging drywall, installing luxury vinyl plank flooring, painting, putting up trim. These are not advanced trades. These are tasks any motivated homeowner can learn in a weekend. Now, if your basement has old paneling, nasty carpet, or previous work that needs to come out first, here's the good news. Demo is the easiest part of any remodel, and it costs almost nothing to do yourself. A demolition contractor will charge you $2,000 to $5,000 to gut a basement. You can do the same work in a weekend with a dumpster rental. The dumpster runs about $300 to $500, and that's basically your entire demo budget. There's no plumbing to worry about, no load-bearing walls to navigate. You're pulling out old material in a space that's already a shell. It's the most satisfying part of the project because you see massive progress in a single day. And here's a pro tip. Do your own demo even if you plan to hire out the finish work. That alone saves you thousands. Phase 1 is moisture management. You need to make sure your basement is dry before you touch a single stud. Checking for water intrusion, sealing the foundation walls, a tube of hydraulic cement, and a bucket of waterproof sealant cost under $100. Phase 2 is framing and insulation. You frame the walls using 2x4s, insulate with rigid foam board, and rough in utilities. Framing a basement wall is one of the simplest carpentry tasks there is. You're building flat walls on a flat floor. No angles, no roof lines, no structural loads. Phase 3 is drywall, flooring, and finishing. Luxury vinyl plank is king in basements because it's waterproof and durable. Then add trim, paint, and lighting. The tasks you hire a licensed pro for, electrical panel work, plumbing rough-in, are a small fraction of the total job. You prep everything, then make the connections, and you finish the rest. That's how you keep $20,000 to $40,000 in your pocket. Let's talk return on investment. Finished basements return 70 to 75% of the total project cost at resale. But when you do it yourself at half the cost, your actual return on cash spent is well over 100%. This is a wealth building move. Think about what that space becomes. A home office, a guest suite, a media room for movie nights, a home gym. You're adding comfort, function, and real equity, and it's already sitting there waiting for you. Visit hammondreengineered.com to see real before and after photos, access free resources, and explore the complete DIY guide library. I'm Jason Hammond. Let's re-engineer your basement. Search Hammond Re-Engineered on Amazon or visit our site today.